Hello. When you enter into the business program of Wake Tech Community College, we like to say we help you design your future. We have lots of different degree and certificate options that will come together into the perfect package for you to make yourself presentable when you're trying to get a job. One of our degrees is general business. This is for the type of people who enjoy having a vision. They're leaders. You're an entrepreneur, possibly. You like to work in marketing or management. These are great places to start if you're not sure what you're doing, but this is going to stand you in good stead for career options going forward. And this is a very transferable program to a university. Marketing. Great for those creative types. Also, the types, if you can believe it or not, who enjoy research, customer service, data, branding, advertising, graphic design. Lots of interesting creative projects to work on in the marketing program. Human resources. These are for the people who love working with other people, maintaining the people that you hire, training them, working on professional development programs, and motivating employees to be their best. You would be a great fit for a human resources program. And then project management. Project management is one of our newest degrees that we offer. Also, there's a project management certificate that goes along with this program. Projects are something that has a start and an end point. So anything you do really is a project. If you enjoy seeing something through from the beginning to the end, maybe you would enjoy being a manager of a small, medium, or large project. We can help you with that. Also, project management degrees that we offer work your way towards a certificate or a certification in project management, and we can help you figure out what that means for your life. If you would like more information in our programs, contact me, Marnie Rhodes. I'm the department head of the Business Administration Department of Wake Tech, MJ Rhodes at waketech.edu, and we look forward to having you in our programs. We can't wait to help you design your future.
Hey there, my name is Ruben Arietta, and I'm a proud member of the Phi Beta Lambda Business and Leadership Organization here at Wake Tech. I also serve as Wake Tech's current student government president. I joined Phi Beta Lambda over a year ago when I first enrolled here at Wake Tech, soon after graduating high school. And in that short period of time, I've experienced the many aspects of this organization that help students boost their resume, stand out, and become better leaders. PBL is the college version of the Future Business Leaders of America, which you may have heard of in high school. And the best part about it is that anyone can join. You don't have to be a business student to join. So now you may be asking yourself, what do we do? Well, we network with other business-minded individuals, listen to speakers from the business community on leadership topics, and we compete in state and leadership competitions. I've truly enjoyed my time in Phi Beta Lambda, and we look forward to having you as a member.
Hi, my name's Jeff Myers. I'm an instructor at North Campus as well as a coordinator for our summer study abroad program here at Wake Tech. And since 2011, I have taken hundreds of students, staff, faculty, and community members abroad all over the world on 25 different trips. And if you want to join us on one of our upcoming trips, we're going to Australia, New Zealand, we're going to Morocco, we're going to Salzburg, Austria, we're going to Portugal, we're going to Egypt, we're going to Brazil, we're going to Colombia, and we're going to Thailand in the next 2 to 3 years. So if you'd like to find out more about how you can either travel with a large group or even study abroad and take a Wake Tech class for credit, you need to email me at jrmyers@waketech.edu. That's jrmyers@waketech.edu. Hope to talk to you soon.